Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Akash with you from Btech YouTuber channel. Hope you all well. Today we're gonna see how to download and install Anaconda software very easily. Now, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is one of the world's topmost data science platform, which is also distribution of Python and R language. So from the website, which I'm gonna show in a couple of minutes, you can get different packages, but we're gonna download it for free. There will be different platforms like Jupyter Labs, Spyder, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell Prompt, Orange, RStudio and many others. Now let's see how to download and install Anaconda step by step. As you can see that my Chrome browser has already been opened, so let me write the URL searching by Anaconda and then enter. At the official website of anaconda.com, press enter. Now at the top of this website you can see there are some options you are getting from this website saying products, pricing and all these things. If we press the pricing, you can see different plans are offering different prices. Today we are gonna looking to individual edition. So for that we are gonna going to the products option and then to individual edition. This individual edition is providing us Conda Package Manager, Anaconda, Navigator, Environment Manager, unlimited Python and R language and so on, many other things, just for free. So to download this individual edition, you need to press directly to the download option. So let me click on download. So you will be redirected to the bottom of this website where you can get some of many other options for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You need to choose as per your device configuration. As I have the Windows 10 software, let me click on 64-bit graphical installer. And as you can see, the exe file of this Anaconda website for Python has already been started downloading. So let me wait for some time and then show you. So guys, as you can see that the exe file has already been downloaded. And let me say you something about this software. It is a open source free individual edition and it is one of the easiest way to run R data science and Python and machine learning, and it's totally free. So let me click on this exe file and to show you how to install. Let me minimize the browser at the same time. Now on this setup pop-up, you need to click on next and you need to agree the agreement that are providing by this Anaconda software. Just you can click it as per your choice. I recommend to go for the recommended choice just for me. Then click next. You can choose your path from here, from that you want to locate your file or to save your file. So let me click the next, and some advanced options you are getting from this page. And you can, I recommend you to unchange the check button that is recommended by that Anaconda. So keeping it unchanged, I'm clicking install to directly install it to my PC. So as you can see, the installation process may some time. So wait a bit for some time and then come again. Leave your PC or your system as like me for some time to install this package. For additional info, you can see that there is options show details. You can click on it, then you can see that what are the things that are going to be installed or extracting to your device or system. So these are the things that are going to be, and also continuing extracting to your system. Once the completion of the installation, you can click on the next and next and just finished to launch. I will recommend to uncheck these of the two files so that it will not interrupt on launching of the software. So let me click on the start and then search for Anaconda. Now as you can see, there is an application called Anaconda Navigator. You need to click on it to launch your software. Now press it and just wait for some time to set up and launch it on your PC. Now as you can see, a command prompt has been opened. So now let's wait a bit more to launch our software. As you can see now, the application is initializing and it will then load data and then again start. As it is a big software, it will take around a bit more time than usual because it will depend on your system configuration, so better wait for that. So guys, as I have told you that you can also see that some pre-installed applications are already here on this Anaconda. So you can do as per your choice in which platform you want to do your work. Per your preference you can do it. As you can see, there are some applications like Jupyter, Spyder, and as I have said before. So let me open the Jupyter notebook. You can also launch other softwares like Spyder, Jupyter Lab, or like this. There are so many applications. So let's open my Jupyter notebook by launching it and to show you how to create a new folder just for an example, and also run a Python program in front of you so that you can have a knowledge, have a idea that how is that works. Now as you can see guys, our Jupyter notebook has opened. Now let us create a folder here. Now select me the current path where I want to create a new folder. Now click on new and click on folder. As you can see guys, there is an untitled folder. Now let me rename this folder. So I've named it as Python program 1 and renaming it. After renaming, you can go to this folder that you have now created by clicking it on. Now as you can see, the notebook is empty. Now as for an example, to run a Python program in that particular folder, you need to click on new and just go to Python 3. Now as for an example, let us say a equals to 2, enter a into a into a. Now click shift plus enter and you will get output 8. So like this process, you can do your desired programming from here. Now if you want to save the file, go to file and save and checkpoint. Now if you want to check that file, come back to your folder. So now if you go to the downloads, and you can see that Python program 1, which folder we have saved, and this is the program we have saved and checked. Following this particular way, you can also run your program and also save and checkpoint. This is what I have shown today in this tutorial, how to download and install Anaconda Individual Edition. If you found my tutorial useful, then please like this video, share this video with your friends and comment down below. If you found any difficulty installing and running it, obviously do comment in the comment section with your problem. I'll be trying to solving it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon to get notification of the all new videos, all new tutorials I'm going to be uploaded next. I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.